Good morning, class 9th. Today we all will try to solve the NCERT exercise 1.6 that is based on exponents and power. The third question, first two questions already I have explained yesterday. The third question is there to simplify 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. These two exponential form are given. The first one 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. We know a law if a to the power m into a to the power n is given in which base are same, so simply we'll write the base and add the power, that will be m plus n. So by this law we can write here base are same 2 and 2, so we'll write the 2 and add their power, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Separately you can find the sum of 2 by 3 and 1 by 5 on the rough sheet. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 10 plus 3, 15. 13 upon 15. So we can write 2 to the power 13 upon 15. This is the answer. Is that clear? Simply we will see the question and find which law is suitable to use on the question. Come for the next one. Is given 1 upon 3 cube whole to the power 7. So we have an identity if a upon b to the power n, so this will express on 1 to the power 7 upon 3 cube to the power 7. The identity is if a upon b to the power n, so it will be a to the power n upon b to the power n. So, and now we'll open the bracket. So 1 to the power 7 will remain 1 only, because 1 to the power n is 1 only. n पे कितने भी पावर हो उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. And here 3 cube to the power 7. So power to the power, so 3 to the power 3 into 7. Since a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So by this law we'll get 1 upon 3 to the power 3 7s are 21. Answer. So like this you always solve the second question. Come for the third one. It's given 11 to the power 1 by 2 whole divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. You know the identity na ki if base are same and there is a relation between them is multiplication, so we'll add the power, and if their relation is of division, so we'll subtract the power. So base are same, so 11 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Show the law also here, since a to the power m divided by a to the power n, so it will come a to the power m minus n. Base are same and there is a relation of division between them, so we will subtract the power. So simply we have done like this here also. And now 11 and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so 1 by 2 will remain. You can check it, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so 1 by 4. So 4 is the LCM, 2 to the 4, 2 minus 1, 1 by 4 will remain. So here 1 by 4 is the power, 11 to the power 1 by 4 is the answer. Is that clear? If you have any doubt, so whenever we have a doubt class, you must clear it. 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. In this one, base are different but the powers are same. So simply we'll multiply the base and take the power common. We'll write the reason, write the law. If a to the power m into b to the power m, so it will be a into b whole to the power m. बेस डिफरेंट है, पावर सेम, तो पावर को कॉमन लेंगे और बेस का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो ये 56 टू द पावर 1 by 2. This is the answer. So like this, you all will solve some more question based on exponents and power, and later I'll give some more question to solve it. Okay, good day.